Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell in. Okay, then. But today I got the Red Galaxy Buds Plus, okay? So now let me tell y'all why I got this. So if you don't know, right now, if you order a Galaxy Book S, you actually get some free Galaxy Buds Plus with it. So they give you the option to choose the color too. You can either get the blue ones, the white ones, or these red ones right here, or even the black ones. But I was like, you know what? I already got like the black Galaxy Buds, the regular ones that came with my Galaxy Fold. I got the white Galaxy Buds, and then I have the blue ones. So I might as well get the red to compare them, you know? So that's what we're gonna be going ahead and doing today. Alright, y'all, so we're back here at the unboxing table, and I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to check out these brand new Red Galaxy Buds Plus. So like I said, as y'all know, I already got the Galaxy Buds Plus. They're right here. I did a water test on them, and yeah, the case, it doesn't really work, but here's something crazy, okay? So I think when I put on the charger, it actually charges or something, because like it's given, like the Galaxy Buds Plus are getting charged somehow, like when I put on the charger. So I don't know, that's weird. I still don't get any indicator or anything like that, but that's just strange. I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, so like I was telling y'all, when you get a Galaxy Book S right now, you get some free Galaxy Buds Plus to go with it. So I'm definitely feeling that. That's in the US at least. But I'm definitely feeling that, and I'm really loving this Galaxy Book S so far, not gonna lie. Especially because, well, I had to send out my Notebook 9 Pro for repairs, so that's really all I got right now besides my Tab S6 and my keyboard cover. But yeah, so let's go and check these out here, and I got a couple phones here, like my S9 Plus, my Note 9, my Z Flip, and then my S20 Ultra. And then I got like my Galaxy Tab A 2020, and then I got my Tab S6 over there. In this case, by the way, this is actually a whole case thing, like a whole case bundle with a screen protector. I got this from Verizon, and I know you're not supposed to get accessories from like carrier stores because they charge you way too much, but like at least with the screen protector, it seems like Verizon is the only one that can do it right, because I got one from Amazon and it's not that good, okay? They can't even figure out how to get the corners right on it, so like it was sometimes peeling off. It was like I ain't like dealing with that. And I mean, the case is nice, so I mean, it is what it is. Like, it don't turn off the screen when you close it, but still cool. But it was like 50 bucks or something like that. I was like, ouch, man, come on now. Anyways, yeah, so we have here the Galaxy Buds Plus, and I have the regular buds here, and then the Buds Plus. And we'll see how they look side by side compared to some phones. So on the packaging, we're getting some pretty familiar packaging here, but we got Buds Plus, and then they look exactly the same pretty much as the Buds case. But we got Buds Plus, we got a red Galaxy Buds Plus here with the Samsung logo and nothing on the right side. There's some info on the back that we already know. So on the back, we got Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and then we got 11 hours of playtime. We have two-way speakers for rich sound. We have triple mics here for clear voice call, and then we have Qi compatible wireless charger. Sound by AKG, because you know Samsung owns Harman Kardon, and they own AKG and JBL and all those other companies now. Bluetooth, of course, we got Bluetooth 5.0 on here, and then we got Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus on the left, and then at the bottom we just got my info. At the top we don't got nothing. Okay, where's my unboxing knife, man? Let's crack into this, because you know we gotta do it. So let's go and do this real quick. Rah! Okay, now I sound like Flossie Carter. Rah! Okay, now my voice cracked when I did that. Alright, so let's go and get to this real quick. So, wow. Hold on a minute. Man, that's stylish. Okay then. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna be one of those persons wearing, like, you know, like the people that wore like the yellow Galaxy Buds. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be that person, but it still look dope, man. Like, it kind of remind me of that product red that Applebee got going on. Is that even a thing? But yeah, so we got our Buds Plus here in red. So not gonna lie to y'all, I would just take the case by itself. Like, I don't know if I would take the, wow, man, hold on a minute. Okay, now we getting fancy over here. But yeah, so we got the inside, which is black, so I'm really feeling that. We got that black and red vibe going on here with the red Galaxy Buds Plus, and man, that's dope. Okay, so that's our red Galaxy Buds Plus right there. Let's look around this real quick. I mean, I just don't know what to say. That's dope. Let's look at it compared to these blue ones right here, and they still look nice, man. If it was me, I think I would still go for the blue, but man, that case, that red, that really pops out at you. Okay, man, that's really dope. So let's go and open these up real quick, and you can see here that we have the blue on blue everywhere with these blue Galaxy Buds Plus. And that's gonna look best for something like, you know, your Tab S6 here. So I got the Cloud Blue Tab S6 right here. And you can see, yeah, they match up great with each other. So yeah, that's the Tab S6, and then we got like something like the Galaxy Z Flip. Now, again, like, I think I would go for this blue here for my Z Flip rather than like the red or something like that, because it kind of seems out of place, to be honest with y'all. And then we got the Galaxy Book S, so you can see it right there. I think still the blue looks better. Like, blue overall, like, who can't be mad at blue? You can't be mad at blue. It's like being mad at like tacos or something. You can't be mad at tacos. Nobody can go wrong with tacos or like a burger or something like that, especially if you're an American. But I got a blue case here, and then like again, like the red just seems out of place. Does Samsung even got any Galaxy phones that's like red? I don't even think so anymore. And then I got like my S9 Plus or something. So we got the cloud blue and this sunrise gold. I don't know, man. I might go for the red this time. That's kind of difficult, but yeah, we got the Galaxy Book S over here, and then yeah, they just look, man, I don't know, man. The red is nice, but I feel like it's only for specific situations. So let me go and get out the black Galaxy Buds here, and this is just the regular Galaxy Buds, like I said, but that's how we're gonna be looking like. So we got the red Buds Plus, we got the blue Buds Plus, we got the black Buds, and then we got the white Buds. So what do you think? Which color do you like better? Me personally, like, man, that red really hit, man. I don't know about that one. That's like a whole different type of trip to me. But overall, I still think I'm gonna have to go with the blue, to be honest with y'all. Like, I know some people will just say, oh, I'm going black because, you know, that blends in better and all that. But nah, I need my blue. But I don't know, it's really a hard call, man. Like, I guess, like, if you're wearing a different outfit or something like that, you can go ahead and mix and match up if you have, like, multiple Galaxy Buds, like I do. See, this is why people be calling you rich in the comments, Latrell. But yeah, so that's the red Galaxy Buds Plus right here. So let me go ahead and look in the rest of the box because I ain't even get to that yet. So, in the box, we got the Buds Plus, and then we have over here, which looks like our charger and our ear tips. So let's go ahead and open that up real quick, and there we go. So we have our USB-C cable right here, which is actually in black, and I think my Buds Plus case with the blue ones anyways, I think that was white. So to get a black cord here, I guess that's nice and everything. And then we have our red ear tips and everything here for our Buds Plus. So yeah, man, like, what do you think about the red Buds Plus? So me so far, I already told you what I thought, but I mean, yeah, it's hard, man. It's hard, okay? Red's kind of a tricky color, so yeah, that's a red Buds Plus. Let's look in this case right here with my blue Buds Plus, and that's how it's gonna look like right there. So yeah, that's definitely not gonna work out. Now, there ain't really a point in looking in the black case over there because, well, I mean, this is already black. But yeah, I just want to go and show y'all the red Buds Plus here. So I don't know, man, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, you know, when you get like a red phone or something like that, or you see these red phones, like, that red really do be hitting, man. But like these Buds right here, that's a whole different type of hitting. Like, I feel like that's popping out way more. Like, that's really gonna catch your attention way more than like if you got a red phone. And if you got a red phone or a red case, it should look good with your red Buds Plus. But I don't really think there's a point of setting it up unless like you never seen any Galaxy Buds Plus unboxing before. But yeah, y'all, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on social media at ECentech. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram. That's where I'm most active. And then you can also find me on Facebook. But that's gonna be pretty much it for me, y'all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out. Stay safe, y'all. I'm thinking about all y'all, but yeah, peace out.